Most people think to buy a home, you need 20% down, perfect credit, and a high income. That kind of thinking keeps most people renting longer than they should. The truth is, there's a ton of mortgage programs out there that can help everyday people, no matter your situation. So if you've ever thought to yourself, I'll wait till I have more money saved up, or I'll wait till I get my credit score perfect, you may be waiting on something that's not actually holding you back. Let me give you a couple examples. First off, there's FHA loans. Okay? FHA loans are one of the most common starter loans in the country. And there's a good reason. Sometimes they allow as little as 3.5% down. Their credit requirements are much more flexible, and lenders can allow a much higher debt to income ratio. FHA isn't looking for perfection, it's giving accessibility. That's why so many first time buyers use it. One of the most overlooked programs is USDA loans, and you don't even have to be a farmer. A lot of suburban areas actually qualify for these loans, and they can offer as little as 0% down, low mortgage insurance, and pretty competitive rates. So if you have location flexibility, this is definitely something to look at. If you're a vet, active duty, or an eligible spouse, VA loans are an amazing tool. They can allow 0% down, no monthly mortgage insurance, flexible credit. If you qualify, this is often the lowest cost loan out there. Honestly, there's even conventional loans that people don't realize you don't need 20% down. Some allow 3 to 5% down. And mortgage insurance can be removed later once you build some equity up. On top of that, you can probably qualify for down payment assistance. There's local grants. Sometimes you get the seller to pay your closing costs. You can stack these programs, but only if you know they exist, right? A lower payment doesn't mean you're being reckless. The real risk isn't the loan. It's buying with a payment that leaves you no flexibility. The goal isn't buying the biggest house. It's the house that gives you the most options. Most people don't fail to buy because they don't qualify. They fail because they never ask what's possible. So before you rule yourself out, learn the programs, understand the trade-offs, and make an informed decision. If you want to know if you might qualify or what you might qualify for, drop a comment, reach out. Sometimes the biggest barrier to buy is just outdated information. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just my own opinions based on 10 years of investment experience. But if you do have a question, please reach out. You can find me on YouTube, Instagram, shoot me a DM. We'll chat. All right? Call your buddy.